Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to make a basic version of the Pillager army using the new command syntax on Bedrock Edition. All you need is some armor stands, a name tag, an anvil, any kind of shovel, a unique block of your choice, I'll use cobblestone, and 3 repeating command blocks. First, find yourself a nice flat area. Then go ahead and make a path that is 9 blocks wide in your desired length. If you want, instead of using pathway blocks, you can use your block of choice. This end of the path is where I want my pillagers to spawn in, so I'll mark it with a green terracotta block just so you guys can follow along. The other end is where I want the pillager column to stop, so I'll mark it with a red terracotta. At the starting end, place a 3x5 block of armor stands. These mark where the pillagers will spawn. Make sure the block of armor stands is in the center of the path. Next, go ahead and use your anvil to put a name on your name tag, and name all of the armor stands. I'll use the name Start. On the opposite end of the path, dig up the 5 center blocks where the path ends. Underneath them, we're going to place a different block type that will mark the end of the path and kill the pillagers when they walk over it. I'll use cobblestone. Once I've done that, I'll place some blocks back over the cobblestone. Now you are ready to write your 3 commands. Let's start with the first one, that spawns in the pillagers. The first thing you should do is set the command block to a 50 tick delay. If you forget this step, you will continuously spawn in pillagers that will lag your game out. If you want to be safe, I recommend adding a simple emergency kill switch to get rid of the pillagers in case you spawn in too many. Then, proceed with writing in the simple command that will spawn in a pillager on each armor stand. I suggest spawning the pillagers in with a specific name to distinguish them from any other pillagers in your world. In this case, I've chosen the name Normal. Next, we're going to write the command that makes the pillagers walk forward. In this command, we run a command as every pillager named Normal using their current location, telling them to teleport themselves -0.1 blocks on the z-axis while facing north. Depending on which direction you want your pillagers to walk, the command will differ slightly. You can check which way you want your pillagers to walk using a locator map. For example, if I wanted my pillagers to walk that way, that would be west since it's on the left side of the map. On Java Edition, you can just use F3 mode, but that doesn't exist on Bedrock Edition. Lastly, we'll write the command that will kill the pillagers when they reach the end of the route you want them to walk. As you can see, this command makes it so that when the pillager detects cobblestone 1 block beneath its position, the pillager dies. Since path blocks are less than 1 block in height, we use a -1 here. If you use something other than a path block that is a full block in height, you would use a -2. Now you are done writing the commands. Before you turn on the command blocks though, you should probably disable command block output to prevent chat from being flooded with messages. In order to start the pillager column, flip the levers in the following order from left to right. First the kill command, then the teleport movement command, and then the spawning command. And there you go, your very own basic pillager column. If you want the command blocks to keep working even when you leave the area, you can create a ticking area to make sure the command blocks still run. But what if, say, you wanted the pillagers to be able to walk up and down blocks, or you wanted vindicators in the column too? Next month, I'll be releasing a video showing you how to do just that, so stay tuned and consider liking and subscribing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.